Hey, this is Eugene, and what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna give you a quick lesson on how to open the Xbox 360. And let's go! Alright, we're back. These are the tools that you need to open up your 360. These three come in a kit: the screwdriver and the faceplate openers. They're around 19 bucks. You can get them. They're made by this team. Alright, what you do is you put your hand over here, put one thumb into the hole, and you take your fingers, your index finger, and your middle finger, and you just put it over there. And you pull gently, and it should come off pretty easily. Like that. Usually there's a warranty sticker like right over here. If you have the older models, it's silver, and over here, which I had, is one of those big green ones. And what you do is you put a blow dryer or a hair dryer into it, and you heat it up for around 30 seconds, and you slightly peel it off with an X-Acto knife or something, and then put on some wax paper. Alright, so what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take off the hard drive. Pretty simple. You just press one button, put it to the side, make it organized and shit like that, you know. Now what you want to do is you want to take this thing off and this thing off. It's pretty easy. What you do is you use this tool, you use the sharp side, which is this thing, and you put it into the parts that hold it while pulling on the cover thing. So this is how it would look like. Pull on this and then put it into the little slots. There's one right here where this thing is. There's one right here, over here where the three things are. The three, like, I don't know. And one right here. Right there. So let's do this. It should come out pretty easily. You just put it in, it should come out. Put it in, come out. Put it in, come out. Do it for the other side also. Oops. Put it in, come out. Put it in, come out. This is what it would look like. I'll do the other side. This one is a little bit more tricky. You use this part right there, and you fit it into this hole. Let me see. You fit it into these two holes right here. One right here, and then another right there. And then you pull on it like this, and it should come off. Pull on the next one like this, it should come off. The parts on this are over here, where these two things are, and over here. I have to take this thing off to access it. To take it off, you use this and you pry open. You just try to rip off the foots, rubber foots. Could take a little while. It's kind of hard to take off the first time. And yeah. And you should see something like this. And you just put the thing in. And it should come up. You know, I just have to do the other side. Other side's a little more easier. Just take this off. Next, what you want to do is you want to take this faceplate off. What you do is you use your fingernails, pull on it to loosen it up. Alright, now it's loosened up. And then you want to do this side. See that? Finally. Oh, by the way, there are like 4 of these. One right here, one right here, one right there. One right there, and then one right there. Take this off. This box should be upside down like this. And what you want to do is you want to flip it side up. And then take out this eject button by pulling all this, and it should come out like that. Now what you do is flip it over again. Use the screwdriver that they gave you. And there should be 6 screws that you need to take out. One right here. One right there, one right there, one right there, there, and there. So you're just gonna take them out. Alright, once you take the screws off, flip the Xbox back over again. And this faceplate should come off. Once you do that, Xbox is open. Take out the disk drive, and you can flash it. And yep, that's how you open up an Xbox. Alright, thanks for watching. This is how you open up an Xbox 360, and don't break anything. Alright, see you guys later.